welcome to the Mountain Pie channel, the channel all about mountain pies. This is going to be a basic channel where we're teaching you how to make mountain pies, tips and tricks, and a lot of other good information. My name is Big Daddy, this here is Ry-Ry, and this is P-man. We'll be your guides on this journey. Say hi to the camera, guys.
Hi! Today we're making a pizza mountain pie, and we would be making them over a fire that we have made ourselves.
Hey, it's P-man, and obviously I've gotten the job of telling you what the ingredients are for today's recipe. First, you need a pie iron. Next, you need sunbeam bread. You also can have any brand of pizza sauce you'd like. Use a spoon to spread the pizza sauce. Get mozzarella cheese or any cheese you like. And don't forget the cooking spray.
Easy as pie.
All right, we're getting this fire started. As with any fire, please be very careful. Make sure you're aware of your surroundings. If you're doing this in the summertime and it's hot and dry, you want to be very careful with any campfires that you set up. Proceed at your own risk and make sure you have a responsible adult with you since you don't have any problems. An important tip is to never cook a pie with a cold pie iron. You want to make sure you heat your pie iron up to temperature before you start cooking. If you don't, the first pie you make with the cold pie iron will take twice as long, and all the rest you think you'll have more time than you really do, and you'll end up burning them before you figure out your timing for the next ones. So always start with a hot pie iron. When your fire is just about ready to go ahead and take your empty iron and just shove it right in there to get it up to temperature. As easy as pie.
Breading.
Lay it in there. Just be careful. Watch your hand. All right, next up, we need the sauce.
It's pizza sauce.
You got the spoon?
Spoon ready.
Scoop it on there. Smear it around. It's nice. One more. Two good spoonfuls is what you need. Cover the whole surface. Spread it around. All right.
Next step is the cheese.
Now take the other piece of bread, put it on top,
And
push it down.
Easy as pie.
Easy as pie.
Easy as pie.
Lock it in place like that, and take your lever, and you're ready to cook. When you're ready to cook your pie, you want to find a spot that has as even heat as possible. So I'm taking a look between these two pieces of wood where we have a lot of fire coming out, and I'm going to set it so that that fire stream is hitting it right in the middle. And now we're going to wait about a minute and give it a flip and go from there. All right, it's been about a minute. You gonna help me take a look?
Yep.
See how we're doing? Let's flip it over, unhook it, take a peek, open it up. Gently, just gently. Shake it. See if we can get it down. Taking a look. Oh, it's definitely ready to flip.
It looks ready to me, Dad.
Well, that side. We gotta cook the other side. Give it a minute. All right, time to check.
Oh yeah.
Let's take a quick peek.
Nice and crispy.
Looks pretty good. Let's call this one done. You want to check it early because the last thing you want is a burnt pie. And it took about a minute each side. Perhaps the trickiest part of making a mountain pie is getting it out of the pie iron when you're done. This thing's hot, so you want to be real careful. So you got to do a flick move to just dump it out without dropping it on the ground. Pie success.
Thanks for watching the Mountain Pie channel. We'll see you next time for the next recipe.
Hi guys.
Bye-bye. For today's extra footage, we have a pie race between P-Man and Ry-Ry. On your mark, get set, go! Faster! Less talking, more eating. Less talking, more eating. Chew, chew, swallow. Chew, chew, swallow. Nom, 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 nom. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win all the glory? Go! Eat that pie! Tell our audience, what's it taste like?
Awesomeness. Pizza.
We have a winner! Yes!
Hey, it's P-man, and I've gotten left.
We make campfires the easy way.
Hi, today we're making pizza mountain pies.
Go, you're good.
What?
You're good, go.
I forget what it was.
Figure it out, go for it. Thanks for watching the Mountain Pie channel.
Yeah, thanks for watching the Mountain Pie channel. Hi.
Bye.
Bye-bye.